Take a moment and imagine your future self. Picture the life that you're building, the business that you're leading, the people you're impacting. Can you see it? Can you feel it? In today's video, I'm going to guide you through one of the most powerful exercises for bringing that vision to life, a love letter to your future self. Now, this is more about business. It's about who you're becoming. Hi, I'm Jen Kem, founder of the Master Brand Institute, where we help founders, experts, and entrepreneurs build wildly profitable personal brands by unlocking the power of your team, your identity, your messaging, and your experiences. Today's video is part 3 of our 4-part series on building a values-driven business, and we're diving into something incredibly important, your vision. This video is all about defining the future version of yourself and your business. It's pulled directly from the unique message model that's in my program called The Messenger. And today I'm going to walk you through an exercise that has transformed the lives and businesses of so many entrepreneurs I've worked with. Let's talk about vision. I'm not just talking about setting business goals or writing down your next milestone. I'm talking about really envisioning who you're becoming, who you are in the future when you've built that life, and the business and the impact that you know you're capable of. Without a vision, you're navigating without a map. Your values are your compass, yes, but you need to know where you're going. And your vision is what anchors you to something bigger than just the daily grind. It's what drives you when things get hard. It's what pulls you forward even when doubt creeps in. And if you don't have a clear picture of who you want to become and what you want to create, you risk getting lost in the what ifs and distractions. This isn't just about business. This is about the legacy you're building. And it starts by seeing yourself as that future version of you right now. So, how do you make your vision real? One of the most powerful exercises I teach in my course is writing a bio or love letter to your future self. And yes, it might sound a little strange at first, but trust me, it's really cool. It actually works. Here's what you do. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Then imagine that you're writing to your future self 5 or 10 years from now. You, in the future, have achieved all of the dreams and built the life and business you've always wanted. And in this letter, write about where you are now, what you're currently working on, and thank yourself for what you are willing to do to make your future self real. Talk to your present self as if you've already achieved these things. Write about the challenges you're overcoming right now, the lessons you're learning, and the goals that you're working toward. But most importantly, tell your present self that you are proud of her and how you're working to become the person you know you're meant to be. When you put this vision on paper, something amazing happens. Your mind starts working to make it real. Suddenly, that future isn't just some distant dream, it's a roadmap pulling you forward. And every choice you make from here on out can align with that future. Now, I know you've been following this 4-part series, so you've already dug into identifying your voids and violations from a previous video and those gaps and boundaries that shape your values. Now, here's where vision ties it all together. Your voids are the missing pieces that your values need to fill. Your violations are the boundaries that protect your values. But your vision, it's what gives it purpose. Your vision pulls everything into alignment, so you're not just filling gaps or defending boundaries, you're building something greater. When you have a clear vision of your future self, your values aren't just abstract ideas. They become the building blocks of the life and business that you're creating. And that love letter to your future self, it becomes a constant reminder of where you're headed, especially on the days when things feel unclear or hard. Now, I want you to take some time after this video. Find a quiet space and write that love letter to your future self. Let yourself dream bigger than you ever have before. Let yourself feel what it's like to step into that version of you who's already built the business and life you've always wanted. This exercise is more than just words on paper. It's a way to pull that vision into the present moment. It's a powerful act of self-leadership. Hey, but wait, don't stop here. This is just part 3 of our 4-part series. Make sure to check out the other videos, all linked in the description below. I also invite you to take our Brand Archetype quiz. That link is right below this video. It's a powerful tool to help you understand how your unique values and strengths show up in your brand's personality. It ties directly into this lesson by giving you clarity on how to step into that future vision of yourself. So, I'm Jen Kem, and I'm here to help you get the right messaging, the right team, and the right leadership tools you need to build the wealth, power, and that leadership you're meant to be bringing into the world and that your future self is waiting for. Until next time, keep leading with your vision and your values.